Hello everyone, welcome back to Encyclo Capsule, the place where we unravel the mysteries of the digital world. Today, we're tackling a topic that's integral to our digital lives: how search engines work. It's no magic, but a complex interplay of systems and algorithms that enable Google, Bing, and others to fetch the most relevant results within milliseconds. Well, buckle up as we dive deep into the fascinating world of search algorithms and indexing to understand the inner workings of search engines. Before we delve into the complexities, let's cover the basics. Imagine a search engine as a colossal digital librarian. Its primary role: to organize and categorize the vast ocean of information available on the internet. It's an astounding task, considering the internet is a never-ending maze of web pages, blogs, images, videos, and much more. Think about when you type a query into a search engine. You're not searching the web in real time. Instead, you're searching the search engine's index of the web. This index is created using a method called crawling, where search engine bots systematically browse the web to add and update their indexes. But how does a search engine know what information to present to you? Well, that's where keywords come into play. These are crucial elements in search queries that help search engines understand the context of your query and fetch the most relevant results. So at its core, a search engine is like a massive digital librarian, organizing and categorizing the vast ocean of information available on the internet. The magic begins with web crawling and indexing. Picture this: the internet is a vast, sprawling city, and search engines need to find a way to map it. To do this, they deploy digital explorers known as bots, spiders, or crawlers. These bots travel through the city's network of roads, or in this case, links, visiting each house or web page, one after another. Their mission? To gather as much information as they can. But how do these bots know where to go? Well, they start with a list of web addresses from past crawls and sitemaps provided by sites. They then use these links as a launching pad, following them to other pages. As they travel, they look for new links to add to their list of places to visit. Now, these bots are not just sightseeing, they're on a fact-finding mission. As they visit each web page, they scan the content, noting key details like the page title, keywords used, and the type of content presented. This process is known as crawling. Once the bots have collected all this information, it's time for the second part of their mission: indexing. Indexing is the process of organizing and storing the information gathered during the crawl. The bots take what they've found and add it to the search engine's index, a giant database of discovered URLs. Think of this index as a massive digital library. Each web page is a book, and the index is the catalog that tells the search engine where each book can be found. When you type a query into the search engine, it's like asking the librarian for a book on a specific topic. The search engine, or librarian, consults the index and retrieves the most relevant books or web pages for you. So, in essence, every time you use a search engine, you're interacting with the end result of countless bots tirelessly crawling and indexing the web. These bots visit a web page. They index its content in massive databases, making information quickly accessible. This behind-the-scenes process is what makes it possible for you to find the information you need in the blink of an eye. Now, let's talk about the brains of the operation search algorithms. These are the complex mathematical formulas that sift through billions of websites to bring you the most relevant search results. They are the conductors orchestrating the symphony of information that is the internet. Imagine you're in a library looking for a book on a specific topic. You don't know the exact title or the author's name, but you have a general idea of what you're looking for. Now, imagine a librarian who can instantly find the perfect book for you based on your vague description. That's essentially what a search algorithm does. But how does it do it? Well, it's all about analyzing and ranking. The algorithm looks at various factors such as the relevance of keywords, the quality of the content, and how users have interacted with the site in the past. For instance, if a web page has the exact phrase you've searched for and is frequently visited by other users, The algorithm might decide it's a good match and place it higher in the search results. However, not all factors are created equal. Some carry more weight than others. For example, a website that is regularly updated with high-quality content might rank higher than a site that has the exact keyword match but hasn't been updated in years. But here's the thing. These algorithms aren't static. They're constantly learning and evolving. Search engines regularly update their algorithms to improve search quality and to adapt to changing user behavior. For instance, with the rise of mobile browsing, algorithms have been tweaked to favor websites that are mobile-friendly. Furthermore, these algorithms are shrouded in secrecy. Search engines keep their exact workings under wraps to prevent manipulation and to maintain a level playing field. However, they do provide general guidelines and best practices to help websites improve their visibility and ranking. These complex mathematical formulas are constantly evolving to adapt to changing user behavior and to deliver the most relevant results. They are the brilliant minds behind the scenes making sense of the vast, ever-changing landscape of the internet. Ever wondered why some websites top the search results while others lag behind? It's all about ranking factors, the secret sauce that search engines use to decide the pecking order of search results. The first key factor is content quality. Search engines love fresh, unique, and relevant content. They're like voracious readers, always on the lookout for new and interesting pages to devour. The better your content, the higher your chances of ranking well. Next is backlinks, the digital equivalent of word-of-mouth recommendations. When a reputable website links to your page, search engines see this as a vote of confidence, boosting your site's credibility and ranking. But it's not just about what's on your site. User experience plays a crucial role too. A well-designed, easy-to-navigate site that loads quickly and looks great on both desktop and mobile devices, that's a winner in the eyes of search engines. Speaking of mobile devices, with over half of all web traffic coming from mobile devices, mobile friendliness is a ranking factor you can't afford to ignore. Finally, there's page load speed. In the digital world, every second counts. If your site takes too long to load, users will bounce off and search engines will demote your ranking. So to top the search results, you need to play by these rules. Create quality content, earn backlinks, provide an excellent user experience, ensure mobile friendliness, and optimize your page load speed. These are criteria that search engines use to evaluate and prioritize pages. Search engines aim to provide a personalized and seamless experience for users. They are not just tools for information retrieval, they are also mediums of interaction designed to understand and cater to individual user needs. What's the secret sauce? The answer is data. With every search query, users provide a wealth of information. This includes their search history, location, and even their preferences. Search engines leverage this data using cookies and other tracking tools to personalize search results. This way, the results you see are tailored to your needs and interests. However, this personalization doesn't come without its concerns. The use of user data raises important ethical questions. How much data is too much? Where is the line between personalization and privacy invasion? These are critical considerations that shape the way search engines operate. They analyze your search history, location, and preferences to tailor results to your needs. As technology evolves, so do search engines. The future of search is not just about typing queries into a box and hitting enter. It's about the seamless integration of everyday life with digital information. Consider voice search, for instance. It's revolutionizing how we interact with the digital world, making search more conversational and accessible. With the popularity of smart speakers and voice assistants, we're moving towards a world where we can ask questions out loud and receive immediate, accurate responses. Then there's artificial intelligence. AI is becoming an integral part of search, helping to generate more relevant and personalized results. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI can predict what information a user is likely to find useful, providing a tailored search experience. But that's not all. We're also seeing the rise of augmented reality in search, where digital information is superimposed onto our physical world, enhancing our understanding and interaction with our surroundings. Emerging trends such as voice search, AI-driven results, and the impact of emerging technologies like augmented reality are shaping the future of search. And there you have it, the intricate workings of search engines unveiled. We've journeyed through the digital realm, from understanding the basics of search engines, the magic of web crawling and indexing, to the brain behind it all, algorithms. We've uncovered the importance of ranking factors, the role of user experience and personalization, and even peeked into the future of search. If you found this journey through the digital realm fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the online universe.